Dom here from Essential RC with Trev on camera. Thanks for joining us for another flight test. So this is the ultimate beginner RC helicopter. That's what they say. This is the eSky 300 version 2. A very easy to fly helicopter. You get everything you need in the box, less the AA's for your transmitter. You get 2 batteries and the USB recharge lead as well, which I have in my other hand. So you can charge it from your laptop or a main supply. You get the transmitter as well. So let's put the box down. The quirky thing with this is you see there's that screw underneath. You do that and you get the battery compartment on a hinge, and you just have to make sure the balance plug is underneath the little catch underneath on that tray to make sure it is out of the way of the moving mechanics inside the helicopter. Anyway, let's give it a fly. Let's see how it goes. This can fly inside or outside. We're indoors at our first indoor flying session of the year. This is the transmitter, and it has 2 rates. It has high and low rates here, and an arming switch as well. You can see there, so you can't accidentally throttle up and cut your fingers. So we turn on the radio first, flick the switch on the back and put it down, and it's ready to go. Then on the transmitter here we go to green and we're ready to go. So this is in low rate mode, which is great for indoors because you don't want to move too quickly. I can flick it into high mode, so I've got more agility. Watch out for the jet.
Yeah.
What? Oh, and I'm proving there how crash resistant it is. Right, and let's bring it in for a landing.
Oh, look at that. You're getting good at this now, Dom.
I am, yeah, I'm a natural. There we go. That is the eSky 300 version 2. Really easy to fly, maybe the perfect introduction into single rotor helicopter flying. Thanks for watching, thanks to Trev on camera for filming. We'll be back soon on Essential RC. Thanks, bye. Come on Trev, you can have a go now.
Oh, thanks.